Hello everyone, and I hope you are doing well. So welcome again to another episode of looking at the data given to us by World Health Organization regarding the coronavirus update. So we have here the number of new cases is 82,900. Then the number of confirmed cases is 3,595,662, and the number of deaths, which is 247,652. So today is May 6th, and this data is 7 p.m. May 6th. And then if we compare these data to yesterday, so it has slightly increased. So yesterday was 3,525,116. So there is an increase still with the number of confirmed cases. And then if we look at the number of deaths, yesterday it was 243 and now it's 247,000. So it's still up, my friends. And then, so as I've mentioned earlier, this is the number of confirmed cases over time. So this is the daily numbers. So we'll look at May 4. We have 86,067 confirmed cases, and that's 2,082 daily increase. Then last data would be yesterday, May 5th, which is still high, 82,900, and it dropped a little bit, giving us a negative 3,167. So today is May 6th, so we'll look at the cumulative curve, my friends. So it's still increasing there. And then the number of deaths yesterday, oh, this is very good news. So yesterday we only had 10 deaths, and that's a negative 16 daily decrease. So that's very good in a span of 1 month and a half. So, and then yesterday, May 5th, the actual number of deaths is 3,800. So it went up again from May 4, and that's 2790 daily increase. So that's better compared to May 3rd. And then if we look at the cumulative data, it's giving us an upward slope again. So the virus is still there, it doesn't stop. And then when we look at the graph, so if you look at the legend here, the luminous one is Europe, because they have the highest number of cases. And then America is orange, and then Eastern Mediterranean is light blue or green, this one here. And then Western Pacific is violet or pink. Southeast Asia is blue, and Africa is light blue. So it's the same number here. If we look at Europe, this is the current trend of Europe. So it's still giving us an erratic trend, and it's giving us a predictable trend, which is upward and then downward. So it's still erratic, and it's unknown if it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. So Europe had 27,179 confirmed cases today, May 6th. So that went high compared to May 5th. And then I'm gonna look at the Americas. So in here, today they had 29,701 confirmed cases. So it went down from May 5th. So that's good news. But if you look at here, the trend is still erratic, and it's going up and down. So, and when we look at the Eastern Mediterranean, they have an upward slope. So it's here. And then Western Pacific, we're having a good curve here. So May 6th, they have 10-15 confirmed cases. And then Southeast Asia, this is sad because Southeast Asia, the slope is increasing. So there you go, highest was yesterday, May 5th. And today, May 6th, is 4210 confirmed cases. So they better observe safety, and probably the ECQ will be continued because of the ongoing slope. So take care, my friends, especially my loved ones in the Philippines. So if we go to Africa, there. Africa has an increasing trend as well. So their highest was yesterday, May 5th, 2036. And then they have a slight decrease today, which is 1403 confirmed cases. Alright, so if we look at the highest cases by country or territory, when it comes to the confirmed cases, United States of America is still leading here with 1,171,185 confirmed cases, followed by Spain with 219,329, and then Italy with 213,013. United Kingdom is 194,994, and then Russian Federation is 165,929, and Germany is 164,897, and then France is 131,292, and then Turkey is 129,491, followed by Brazil, which is 107,780, and Iran is 101,650. China is 84,406, and Canada is 61,159. So it could be concluded that the numbers here are still rising when it comes to the confirmed cases. So there are still new cases each day, my friends. And then we look at the number of deaths per country. So in here, the United States of America has 62,698 compared to the deaths yesterday, which was 61,906 deaths yesterday in the United States of America, and then again it increased to 62,698 today alone. And then the United Kingdom has 29,427. Italy, United Kingdom is rising too when it comes to the number of deaths, and that's sad. So the third country is Italy with 29,315. Then Spain, which has 25,613 number of deaths. And then if we look at France and Spain has now almost same number of deaths. And then Belgium is 8,016. Brazil and Germany has almost the same number of deaths, and then as well as Iran. And then Netherlands and China have almost the same number too, and lowest is Canada with 3,915. So this number, guys, is still increasing. If we look at the trend here, so yeah, China is the only country that has a flat curve. If you observe this one, so they had 0 deaths starting April 18 up to the present, so that's really good. And then if you look at the trend, Belgium slope is going downward. Okay, and the trend is still unpredictable, guys. So yeah, we still need to be precautious and follow rules. Okay, if you look at the United States of America in particular, so they have 16,200 new cases, and we mentioned already the confirmed cases and the number of deaths. And then, so if we look at the graph here, the daily confirmed cases was reduced today from yesterday. So today is 16,200. That's negative 13,066 daily decrease. So that's really good. And then this is the lowest so far when you compare it starting from March 23rd. So I hope this number continues from now on. And yeah, hopefully, so we'll be praying for that. And then if we look at the cumulative number, it's still giving us an upward stroke. So if we look at the deaths over time in the United States of America, so today is 792 deaths, so that's really good. So that's negative 404 daily decrease, and then yesterday they had 1196 deaths. So the deaths are now decreasing from 5,000 deaths on May 3rd, and then boom, it dramatically decreased to 792. So we're really hoping that this trend will continue. And then if we look at the cumulative period of the number of deaths, it's still increasing. So yeah. And then we're going to Canada. So for Canada, the number of deaths is still increasing as well as the number of confirmed cases, which is 63,496. The number of deaths now is 4232. And then highest number of deaths is in Quebec, as well as the number of confirmed cases, seconded by Ontario, which is 18,722. And then the number of deaths is 1429. Manitoba has only 7, Saskatchewan has only 6. Alberta's number is slowly increasing too, so that's 112 with 5963 confirmed cases. And then British Columbia is 255, and the number of deaths is 124. So Alberta and British Columbia has more or less they have more or less close number. And then when it comes to again Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and repatriated travelers, they have 0 deaths and 0 confirmed, or 0 number of probable cases. And then yeah, and then most of the cases are seen from long-term care facility because of the number of geriatric patients or residents. And then now let's go to the Philippines. The Philippines, when it comes to the confirmed cases, had an increase to which is 10,004 compared to yesterday, which is, let's see here. Okay, so yesterday was 9684, so they are having a slight increase as well when it comes to the number of confirmed COVID cases. Number of deaths is 658, and the number of recovered is 1506. So it's really good to hear good news these days that most of the patients are recovering from the virus. So we just need to take care of our health, guys, by sleeping well, between 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and eating fruits and vegetables, and exercising inside the house. Yeah, take care of yourself. So that would be everything for today's forecast, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again tomorrow. Have a good night.